Hi guys, welcome to this English grammar exercise. Today we are going to look at the word house and home. Do you know the difference between these two words? Let's start understanding with these examples. Try to guess the right words in each blank and then we will check the answer together. Let's go. House. A house is a physical building, bricks, windows, doors. House has a roof, walls, windows and doors. A house is something you can buy, sell, build or rent. For example, we live in a big white house. Number 2. That house has 5 bedrooms and a garden. A home is more than that a building. It feels and an emotional connections. It's a place where you feel safe, loved and comfortable. It could be your house, your apartment or even a person or country you feel connected to. Examples: after a trip, it feels so good to be home. Number 2. My friends make me feel at home. Number 3. She moved to Canada, but Pakistan will always be her home. So remember, house is structure, physical structure, building. Home is emotion, comfort and connection. Sometimes a house and a home are the same places, but the word focus on different meanings. Let's begin the number 1. After a long day, it feels good to come back blank. So here we are talking about comfort and emotion, not the building. So we use home because we are talking about people's emotions and comfort. So correct answer is home. After a long day, it feels good to come back home. It feels good to come back home. Number 2. They built a beautiful new blank in the countryside. So here we are talking about build a structure. So it's about a physical. So here we use house because we are talking about a physical structure. So correct answer is house. They built a beautiful new house in the countryside. Number 3. I bought a new blank. What is our answer? A house or home? We are talking in the physical buying. Physical buying something means exchange money for physical things. So answer is I bought a new house. I bought a new house.